A to Z alphabet. A is for ant. B is for bird.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe.
C is for cat. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for goldfish. H is for hermit crab. I is for insect. J is for jellyfish. K is for killer whale. L is for lion. M is for moose. N is for narwhal. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for seahorse. T is for tiger. G is for urchin. U is for urchin. V is for vole. W is for wolf. X is for extrafish. Y is for Yorkshire. Z is for zebra.
Watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.